everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1965 Ford Mustang. One of the first and better years of the Mustang. Of course, 65 was always better than 66 because everybody always owned a 66. Our Mustang includes a very nice red paint job with a white interior, automatic on the floor. As you can see, they added the original Ford AC controls along with its still original look, horn, wheel, and basically the interior is all original. At least the style of it is original. Got good brakes as we will demonstrate for you now. And of course you can see we got a little bit of a drizzle down here in Florida. Our wipers work. And the best part about this car, and let me tell you right now, it is a V8 289. That's right, a V8, not a V6. Of course, everybody's Mustang usually came as a V6 and nobody really liked it because it didn't offer enough power. But our Mustang here at Skyway Classics offers a V8. Not too fast, but a very comforting motor. And yeah, it's a very nice little car. And of course, if you always want to add a few modifications, we do offer those services. But anyway, for now, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift. Stay tuned.